Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook pappad in a microwave without oil. So first you have to preheat your oven to 10 minutes in high power. Then you have to close it, and after that you have to put one inside. You have to close it and it will pop up, as you can see. And after some time you can open it, pause it and flip it over. As you can see, it's cooking now. Now you can take it out. It will come like this. Now you can keep it down and keep it for some time to cool. Then after it's cooled, just a bit more, it's hot now. As you can see, it's crispy. So it's healthy without oil. Hope you guys understood with this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.